Have you ever wondered what the ULN2003A Darlington driver is and how it could possibly have any impact on medieval Australia? Let's start our journey by getting acquainted with this fascinating piece of technology, the ULN2003. A Darlington driver, a high-voltage, high-current Darlington transistor array, was invented with the primary purpose of amplifying low-level signals. Now, you might be asking, what's the big deal about this? Well, the answer lies in its versatility. It finds its applications in a myriad of technological components, like relays, solenoids, lamp and LED displays, stepper motors, logic buffers, and line drivers. Imagine it as the unsung hero, quietly powering the devices we use in our daily lives. In essence, the ULN2003, a Darlington driver, is a crucial cog in the machine that drives our modern world. But here comes the twist. Its influence isn't just confined to the present. Now that we've understood what the ULN2003A Darlington driver is, let's delve into its influence on medieval Australia. So, how does a piece of modern technology like the ULN2003A Darlington driver influence an era long past, like medieval Australia? Well, to tackle this conundrum, let's delve into the realm of theoretical time travel. Visualize, if you will, the ULN2003A Darlington driver, a high-voltage, high-current driver chip in the hands of a medieval blacksmith. It's a quirky picture, isn't it? But what could this technology bring to medieval Australia, the ULN2003? A Darlington driver with its capabilities to run relays, solenoids, lamp and LED displays, stepper motors, logic buffers, and line drivers could have been a catalyst for change. Imagine the revolution this chip could have created, from the way resources were used to the distribution of power and wealth. Now, let's consider the concept of communism, a societal structure where resources are distributed equally among its members. If the ULN2003, a Darlington driver, had been present during medieval times, could it have led to a more equal distribution of resources? The potential is there. The driver could have been used to automate tasks, increase productivity, and perhaps even distribute resources more evenly. Let's add a humorous twist to our tale. Picture the dog dragon, Daddy Stalin, and Chairman Meow, all vying for control of this powerful piece of technology. The dog dragon could use it to automate his treasure hoarding, while Daddy Stalin and Chairman Meow could use it to spread wealth evenly among their subjects. The possibilities are endless and quite amusing. Now, we're not saying that a single Darlington driver could have single-handedly achieved communism in medieval Australia. But it's an interesting thought experiment, isn't it? It's a testament to the transformative power of technology, even in the most unlikely of contexts. Imagine a world where a piece of modern technology could influence a time long past. That's the kind of impact the ULN2003, a Darlington driver, could have had on medieval Australia. Let's take a moment to summarize the unique journey of the ULN2003A Darlington driver and its theoretical influence on medieval Australia. So we've covered a lot of ground today. We started with the basics of the ULN2003A, a high-voltage and high-current Darlington driver, which was introduced by Texas Instruments. This nifty device, made up of 7 NPN Darlington pairs, is an integral component in the world of electronics. We've seen how it's used to drive a range of devices such as relays, solenoids, LED and lamp displays, and stepper motors. But we didn't stop there. We then took a leap of imagination and ventured into the realm of medieval Australia. The ULN2003A, despite being centuries ahead of its time, was theorized to have an impact on this era. If the Darlington driver had been introduced in this period, it could have revolutionized numerous areas, from communication to transportation, and even governance. We explored how the ULN2003A, paired with relays and solenoids, could have created automated systems, enhancing efficiency in various fields. With lamp and LED displays, it could have led to the inception of primitive signaling systems, facilitating communication over vast distances. Stepper motors could have been used in the construction of automated machinery, bringing forth an industrial revolution of sorts. We also dipped into a bit of whimsy, envisioning a world where logic buffers and line drivers, powered by the ULN2003A, facilitated a form of communism. This theory, while purely imaginative, gave us a glimpse into the transformative power of technology. But let's not forget our mythical companions on this journey: the Dog Dragon, Daddy Stalin, and Chairman Meow. These characters served as symbols of the potential societal changes that could have been brought about by the ULN2003A. And there you have it, a whimsical journey of technology and time, highlighting the ULN2003, a Darlington driver, and its potential influence on medieval Australia.